In this tutorial, in this Blender tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make array modifier follow a circle path in Blender. So make sure you watch this video till the very end so you don't miss any part. And now let's jump right into this video. So first we need to add the array modifier. I'm going to go here to add a modifier. Make sure you click on this modifiers, add modifier, array. And now I would like to duplicate this cube to the X. So here, select here, type 0, and then here, type 1. Now just increase this. You can have some 0.5, actually, it's better. And now what we have to do is to go to curve. Actually, before doing that, let's actually first add Shift plus A, and here in curve, add a circle, scale, and now, actually, let's scale even more. And now let's go to add a modifier. Make sure you select this cubes we have here, and make sure here you add this curve modifier. Now go to click on here and select this object. Here, make sure you can, so if it's not here, it's not correct, it's not okay. You need to make right there 0, and then we have to increase the X factor. And that's because we want to add this on here on the X axis. Now you can add more cubes like this. You can play with this. But if you just want simple, just type 0, 0, and here you can change the way you want. It's up to you, but that's overall how you can make array modifier follow a circle path. So I hope you found this helpful. I hope you learned something. Thank you so much for watching. And if you have any suggestions for the next Blender tutorial, let me know in the comment section.